A big change at Uvalde Consolidated Independent School District. Pete Arredondo, chief of Uvalde CISD Police, is being placed on administrative leave amid ongoing investigations into the massacre at Robb Elementary School. Superintendent Hal Harrell said the decision was effective immediately. A statement placed on the district's website reads in part, quote, "Because of the lack of clarity that remains and the unknown timing of when I will receive the results of the investigations, I have made the decision to place Chief Arredondo on administrative leave. A lieutenant will assume duties of the chief."
Tonight, a special committee in the Texas Senate wrapped up testimony on the Uvalde massacre. Now lawmakers will start putting together some legislation. Matt Doherty shows us what happened today.
Experts testified on a number of ways they felt the state could do a better job, whether it be mental health resources or gun restrictions. However, it still isn't clear what type of legislation could possibly prevent another school shooting.
Some children are a threat to society, and what are we going to do about that?
In day 2 of the hearings, legislators seek ways to identify, remove, and treat students considered to be too dangerous for school before it's too late.
When someone makes a threat, they might be gone for 3 days to a residential treatment center, maybe a mental health hospital, but they end up right back in that school system.
Some experts noted a lack of state mental health resources as a factor to consider when discussing ways to intervene before a student becomes violent. The state has already invested $300 million in mental health care services. Experts testified more money and many more professionals are needed to adequately meet the need. Some legislators questioned if that would work for someone unwilling to receive treatment.
The question is when can you get to these type of shooters before, like this last case, there's no question it became evil. When you're killing cats, shooting your grandmother, you're not going to be able to go to a trained psychologist and like that be cured.
Others testified that stricter gun laws are needed at the state level to keep weapons from those who are mentally unstable. Judge Wayne Mack is a justice of the peace in Montgomery County.
You have to be 21 to smoke a cigarette. You should be 21 to have to buy an AR-15, a rifle, or anything else. If we don't think they have enough confidence in drinking alcohol or smoking cigarettes, I think we should look at this realistically.
Also today, State Senator Roland Gutierrez said he is suing the Texas Department of Public Safety, saying they have not released the information that he's requested regarding the massacre. They have not responded to our request for comment. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Matt Doherty. We know there are a lot of people out there who still want to help Uvalde. So if you'd like to donate, we have a list of ways you can do that on our website, khou.com. Just text the word Uvalde to 713-526-1111 and we'll send you back a link.